a data analyst, a lot of time you will be asked for providing automation dashboard. The most common views are by time period, like weekly, monthly, or yearly performance. Let's build up a KPI for sales, profit ratio, and total units. We will take a look at each of these measures at the monthly level. Data. You can find your data source from my Tableau Raspberry. Let's choose the simple Superstore Excel file. Let's connect the Excel file. I want to add a filter of the time period for the order day. Let's set it from the 2018, January the 1st, and let's end it at 2020, March 15. I want to try it at the middle of the month because later we will use this to show you how to calculate the last 4 months performance. Okay, so you can see the order day. You can see the data range is from the 2018 January the 3rd till 2020 March 15. The biggest order day is March 13, so it's correct. Okay, we have 2 ways of showing KPI. One is create a separate sheet for each KPI. So let's make a separate sheet for sales, profit, and profit ratio. So this is the sales. Modify it. Go bigger. Let's change the format from here. Default properties. Number format. Okay, the last one is quantity. Forgot. Now you have a very simple the first part of our dashboard. I would like to do is automate our KPI. I want to return the most recent monthly data. Don't forget, at the beginning, we have set a filter to set our data date period is from 2018 January 1st to 2020 March 15. Don't forget about that. So the next, we want to do the monthly KPI. So for example, if the data is at the March 15, the order date is March 13, then the last month data will be from the February 1st to February 28. Okay, let's go back here. So first I want to create a calculate field, and I want to name it as mass date. Let's use the LOD method. Okay, and then let's create another calculate field to calculate the last day of the last month. Now we want to have the first day of last month. Okay, let's create another calculate field called most recent month. So if the order date is a Boolean result, true or false. So if our order date greater than or equal to the first day of last month and order date smaller equal to the last day of the last month, then that's the most recent month. Now we can start to calculate our sales from the last month. So a lot of time when your boss come and ask you, can you give me the last month's sales result? This is when this function comes handy. So sum is if the most recent month is true, if the most recent month is true, then what do? We sum it up, then we return the sales. Don't forget the end. Okay, let's duplicate this. Want it to be profit from last month. Let's change this, the formula to profit ratio last month divided the sales last month. Change this to, let's format this number, percentage. Then the last one is the quantity of the last month. So still the same. If, let's practice this. Let's sum this. If what? Most recent month is true, then we return quantity. Don't forget the end. Typo. Okay. Voila. So let's go to a new sheet. After we done all this calculation, let's put this in one single sheet using the same trick. Minimum 0.0 and hold the control key, duplicate, and if you are Mac, hold the command key. Alright, and then same as before. The first I want to do is sales from last month. Alright, change your label. A little bit too small. Let's make it larger so we can see. Okay. Let's hide the header. Sales. The second one, I want to put the profit from last month. Okay, the third one, I want to put profit ratio. The last one is the quantity from last month. Alright, and I want to change the alignment. Centric. I will use the game bar and move all the alignment to the center. Voila. And then change the shape. Let's make it transparent. use my transparent. And then let's remove all the lines. Okay, here's a monthly KPI.